Everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Atome app. So, what do we use Atome for? To pay someone or to pay for something. So, when you're shopping online, you can simply select Atome during checkout and then you can simply integrate your bank account of Atome and they will automatically pay the thing you're buying for. And if you're online and in a real life store and buying something and you don't have internet, you can just simply scan their QR code at the cashier and just simply select Atome at the checkout and then your payment will automatically be made and you will get a message on your phone. So they have flexible payment options and they give you to choose from three interest-free payments and offer more time with a small processing fee. And you can earn rewards by simply paying with their Atome Plus application, meaning there's points for paying with their application and just simply a cashback with Atome currency. So this is how you can use Atome for your real life or online purchases. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.